Okay, my windshield came in. It came in that box. Came wrapped like that. I've been slowly cutting it away. And that's what the new window gasket looks like. And we're going to attempt to cut this window out. Put that window in. Get rid of that crack. All those bubbles you can see. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do to install the window, and take into consideration I've never installed a window before in my life. I ordered a window from Bugs. It took 2 days to get here, which was pretty cool. And what I think I'm going to do, I bought a new seal, so I'm going to cut this seal so that I can pop this window out. I don't even think I'm going all the way through, and then I'll check back after I cut the seal. Okay, I got the seal cut. I don't think I went all the way through, but you can just rip it. And if it tears like that, because this is an old seal, just start a new cut. I didn't really go through too deep there because this rearview mirror is kind of in the way. Oh, man. Alright. So probably I was just thinking about it, you probably don't even have to go all the way around. If you just did the top, then you tilt the top out and the bottom would just lift off. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I've basically got both sides. Oh, and I got the bottom. I cut the bottom. Well, bottom's easy to get to. Now the window should just pop right out with ease. Let's see. Yeah. You see the windows coming out. I'll have to lay this down and I'll check back in after I get it out. Alright, easily enough, it just came right on out. It doesn't look rusty or anything. It's pretty clean. I'll clean it before I put the other one in. I ought to take a drive in this thing. What do you think? I'm gonna take a ride in it. Let the wind blow. You can really see how bad that glass is. Alright, now I need to get a cord because I'm going to try the cord method, putting the seal on the window and pulling a cord to get it to go in there. So I got to go find a string and I will check back in a few. Okay, I got the seal on everywhere except the bottom. Okay. Basically, I had to look at the other windshield. And somehow, amazingly enough, I got the seam right in the middle at the top. I think it would probably be better right at the middle at the bottom, but I don't think it matters because it's pretty smooth there. It's not like it's going to leak, but at least the seam's not like on a corner or something. Or anyway, it's got this ledge here that goes to the inside of the window, and then the main part's just right on the outside. So there's like a lip right here on the inside because it has to go over the outside part. And it's got all these channeled ribs here. So let me get the bottom back on, or get the bottom on, and then I'm gonna still need to find a cord. I haven't been able to find a cord. The only thing I found was this, and I think this is too thick. So I don't know. Might have to run to Home Depot and get some of that twine that you tie stuff down with when you buy it. Because I can't think anything I have that's that thin. Well, we'll see. Go out there and get you some free twine. Of course, I bought something, so I'll tie it down. I'll tie this bag down so I don't feel like I'm stealing. Okay, so we got the twine from Home Depot. Places like Lowe's will have it too, I guess. And the idea is, from what I understand, like I said, it's the first time I've done it, you put the twine inside, or cord inside the seal where it goes to the car. Put the window in the car, and start pulling the twine. And I believe you have to cross the twine, like if you lay this inside there, have the other piece come up a few inches, so that when you pull the two ends, you know you're getting the seal to pop around. I don't know. We're going to see how that works out. Alright, got the window in. It went pretty smooth as soon as I pulled the string out. It just was a matter of pulling it. I think, and I'll have to see, I think the window is just ever so slightly to the passenger side. I don't think I got it, because this slips over. It could just be the seal. I have to go through and don't mind the dirty fingernails. It almost looks like that folds over a little bit, but it went in good. It went in quick. Just have to go around and check and see. Okay, the Bug ride. I'm going to test out my new windshield. Any excuse to take the Bug for a ride, I'll make. I can't really start driving the Bug all the time until I get the inspection and the tags. So here we go. That's squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Throw this down. See my buddy. I cut it off first, huh? Always put it in first on the parking brake sounds okay. Oh, headlights. Well, parking lights, I should say.